Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 2b, practice of A'udhu Billah. What is Tajweed? To recite the Quran nicely. That is, by taking care of makharij and sifat of letters and other rules of recitation. Let us start with A'udhu Billah. Below the Arabic text, you see in the first line some letters where people commit mistakes in makharij. In the second line, we have some more things that describe the sifat and qawaid where people generally commit mistakes. That will be there throughout our course. As per tip number 3, and remember we are taking tips in this course, the second parts. So as per tip number 3, let us practice the syllables here because many people have problem in saying a'udhu. So repeat after me 3 times. Take a sharp start. Don't say no. And don't stretch it. Don't say Okay, so repeat 3 times. And the ayn sound should be very clear, and also there is a mud. Stretch it. So repeat 3 times. And let's take dhu. It's not zu. Dhu. Touch the tip of the tongue. Touch it with the top teeth, edge of the top teeth. Dhu. 3 times. Dhu. 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 Okay, you can practice more. And here is Tajweed tip number 4. Bring the syllables of word closer, step by step, after you get control over their makharij and sifat. So we'll do it step by step. So repeat after me. Dhu. Dhu. Again. Dhu. Again. Dhu. And now let us bring them closer. Dhu. 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 And then let's recite the word A'udhu. 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 This way you can get the control over each of the syllable. Let's take the next word, billahi. Don't make the lam thick here. Don't say billahi. No, just the normal lam. Repeat 3 times. Billahi. 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 Let's take the 2 words together. Practice. Repeat after me 3 times. A'udhu billahi. A'udhu billahi. A'udhu billahi. A'udhu billahi. MashaAllah. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.